Welcome back. I hope you checked out our introductory overview video. Now I want to get into some specifics with the equipment that I have here. Here's a photo proximity sensor that goes on or off if I get my hand close or far. That's the process data which I'm showing here as just a red X or a green check. It's true or false. The distance at which this thing becomes true or false is actually settable with this teach button if you can touch the sensor, or with IO-Link you can remotely reteach this distance, and that is one of the so-called ISDUs, or Index Service Data Unit, or service data more simply. So the service data is used to identify, display, or reconfigure a sensor. This is another IO-Link device. And the amazing thing here is I'm still looking at one cable to get power and signal to this guy. So here's actually a simple DIO device. This guy is I think capacitive proximity. Put it on a pipe, it'll tell you if the pipe is empty or full. If I get my hand close, I'm actually not touching it, but eventually that guy kicks on here. And on the IO-Link gateway, I'm actually connecting this to that optional digital input too, because this is not an IO-Link device. You can see this LED here change status as the sensor itself does. It's sharing port 8 with this inductive sensor, which actually is an IO-Link device that detects metal. Up here, we have a bank of motor starters, which conveys a tremendous multiplexing advantage. If you're a user that has a lot of three-phase motors in a factory or some power production area, whatever the case might be, you can control 4 motor starters with one 3-wire IO-Link connection. And a ribbon cable connects the first IO-Link module to the second, third, fourth, and fifth. If you connect 4 of these guys to one of our IP67 blocks, you've got yourself 16 motor starters off of one Ethernet cable, one block. But you can daisy chain the Ethernet in and out and actually connect 64 or 20 or 100 motor starters off of one Ethernet cable. If you've got great distances to cover, the amount of money saved in copper and electrician labor pulling tons of wires through conduit alone is a massive savings. The ROI on this guy is immediate for a greenfield installation. In order to have superior situational awareness, IO-Link offers diagnostics on the interaction between the master and the IO-Link device. Comtrol has chosen to put a plethora of advanced diagnostic information right in our web page. If you have a PC that's anywhere on the network, or if you temporarily or permanently enable Wi-Fi, you can even go in with a mobile device such as a tablet or a smartphone. I can actually pull up the diagnostics about the IO-Link device right on this iPad here, or on a smartphone or a laptop, it doesn't matter. We have diagnostics that look from the IO-Link master out to the end, and we also have diagnostics that will look at the interaction between our master and the PLC, or our master and the HMI. So we're looking at the industrial data protocol side of things and the hardwired master to sensor side of things. These diagnostics can be very powerful and helpful, and you can have access to them from basically anywhere. So thanks for watching. For more information, give us a call or visit our website.